Welcome to Enoven Cake and Cookies. Today I'm making an easy Mithai recipe using with Suji and flour. Soft, juicy and perfectly sweet. A quick dessert that's perfect for guests or festive moments. Let's start the recipe. In a bowl add half cup Suji or Semolina. Add half cup flour. Add 1 tablespoon sugar, half teaspoon baking powder. Mix well. Mithai recipes are popular in festive celebration. Now add 2 tablespoon curd, 1 tablespoon oil, and 1/4 teaspoon salt. Add 1/4 cup milk and mix well to form a smooth dough-like texture. Suji gives a soft yet slightly crispy texture. This dessert is quick and easy to prepare. Do not make the dough too soft. Keep aside for 5 minutes. Take small portion and make shape. Fry in medium heated oil until golden brown. Fry on medium heat for even color. Now prepare the sugar syrup. In a pan add half cup sugar, 1 cup water. Let it boil. Add 1 tablespoon honey and mix well. Honey enhances sweetness and flavor. Pour the syrup into a plate. Dip the fried sweets into the warm syrup. Dip sweets in warm syrup for better absorption. Homemade sweets are more hygienic. Suji is light and easy to digest. Honey adds natural sweetness. Garnish with dry fruits. Controlled sugar makes it a better choice. Your soft and delicious easy mithai is ready. Serve warm or at room temperature. Try this recipe and share your feedback in the comments. Follow Enoven Cake and Cookies for more easy dessert recipes.